Everybody, I'm back with a new episode of Where to Watch. So in this video, I'm going to talk about Kraven the Hunter. So as per the sources, it has been noted that Kraven the Hunter is not yet available on Disney Plus or neither on any other. It's not available on any other platform, but it is expected to be released in the United States around Christmas in the year 2026. Now, Kraven the Hunter is a Marvel story that is being released in a Sony Marvel universe. It has a R rating for strongly bloody violence and languages. Now for the more detailed information, we could go ahead and check the browser as well. So open up a browser and on the web address bar, you could type in Kraven the Hunter. So when you type in that, you could see they've provided Netflix, Disney Plus, Amazon Prime Video and Apple TV. However, it is not yet released. So that means it's going to be available in all of these platforms in the year 2026. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.